Go. Alright, for those of you on board, please remain seated so you roll back into your seat with your feet flat on the floor. The doors closed, the driver tram is clear. Let's go home. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, sorry, wrong ride, my bad, sorry. I get them confused. That's right, we own that man now, don't we? Yeah. Yeah, I know, I work for that district. Yeah, we get back to 3 jobs tomorrow, yay. For those of you who just joined us aboard the Making Friends tram, please keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the tram at all times. There's no standing or lying down, leaning on the tram. While the tram's in motion, should leave side and fall from the tram, just raise your hand and let us know. We'll be happy to retrieve it for you as soon as safely possible. There's no eating, drinking, smoking, or dancing aboard the Making Friends tram. Driver, your turn is clear. I said no dancing. I saw that. There is no dancing allowed on this tram. And I'll turn this tram around. Hey! There's no Jersey Shore fist pumping, no Macarena, nothing. We have rules, people. Seriously, we have rules. There's absolutely no no dancing, no dancing. Whoa, 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 whoa. Stop. Mickey time.
For your safety.
Too loud. Alright, girls, boys, one more chance.
For your safety.
No, you're done. Way too loud. Driver, your S turn is clear.
Who's driving? No?
Driver, can you roll up the windows? It's cold back here. Auto service. Casey Jr. coming down the track with the smoky stack.
Where is it? It's supposed to be a ghost voice, right?
Alright, did everybody have a good day at the park today? I'm going to keep it quiet because we have babies sleeping. Who wrote Star Tours? Anybody write Star Tours? Did you get Chewbacca on your windshield?
No, but I was the rebel spy.
Oh, shit, we have a spy on board, Richard. Be careful. The people are looking for us. We have a spy on board. This is Star Tours now. We're absolutely in 3D. Why am I talking so loud? There's a sleeping baby. Rock my baby in the treetop. When the wind blows, the cradle will rock. When the bow breaks, the cradle will fall. And down will come Mickey, cradle and all. What a scary little song that is. It's about a kid falling out of a tree. Geez, that's supposed to put him to sleep? Nightmares.
Permanently.
Alright, we're going to test your Disney knowledge. Why can't Cinderella play soccer?
She's always running away from the ball.
Cinderella can't play soccer because she runs away from the ball. Why did Captain Hook cross the road? To shop at the second-hand store. Shh, we're sleeping babies. Why did Mickey Mouse go to outer space? To look for Pluto. Why can't you take a plane to where Peter Pan lives?
Because it's never, never
There's
land.
a big sign that says Never, Never Land.
I'm old school.
Let's see. Oh, we're going to have to stop, folks, because we have traffic on the road. So, more jokes. Let's see. What's the other reason Cinderella can't play soccer? Because her coach is a pumpkin. What kind of makeup does Mulan wear? Moulin Rouge. Hi-ho, hi-ho, I wish our train could go. Hi-ho, 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 that's all the words I know. Hi-ho, hi-ho.
Where you at? Right now?
Hey, Amy.
Now it's time K-E-Y-Y, because we like it. M-O-U-S-E, Mickey Mouse, Donald Duck. Mickey Mouse, Donald Duck. Forever let us hold our banner high, 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 high. Come along and sing a song and join the jamboree. M-I-C-K-E-Y, M-O-U-S-E. And this was for Amanda. Your turn's clear.
I was trained if you don't lose sight of the fiber, you don't have to wear radar copy. You no longer looks good.
How's it looking, driver? Are we close? Because I'm out of jokes. Almost out of jokes. I can do,
Just wait for that wheelchair to get out.
I can do the jungle cruise.
Sure.
On the right, who came on the cruise tonight looking for danger? Yep, right there on the crate. D-A-N-G-E-R, danger. Over there on the left, there is the saber-toothed tiger. It can weigh up to 500 pounds and jump over 20 feet. But don't worry, we're only 10 feet away. He'll jump right over us. Coming up on the left, there is the African elephant. The second most feared animal in the jungle. And on the right, the most feared is mother-in-law. We're entering the elephant bathing pool. You can take pictures, folks. Don't worry about it. They'll have their trunks on. There's some giraffes, some zebras, some gazelles. Well, I don't know what those are in the back. They must be new. Oh, look at that beach right there. Look at that pole. All those guys climbing at the pole. Look at that. Have you ever seen anything like that? There must
When you're ready.
be a million rocks on that beach. For those of you on board, please remain seated. Driver, your tram is clear. Then on the left, there's absolutely nothing. There's Trader Sam. He's the head trader in the jungle. He's got a special deal tonight. 2 of his heads for just 1 of yours. No matter how you slice it, you come out ahead. I had stew at Sam's the other night. It was delicious. I said, Sam, your wife makes a great stew. He said, yeah, she sure does. Sure gonna miss her. Here we are again.
One more time.
One more time. Driver, you are clear. Amanda's getting impatient. She's going to have a talk with you.
Yeah, because someone didn't clear me before the tram behind us left.
There's no tram behind us. Before the tram behind us left? Why would I be clearing a tram behind us?
Oh, sorry.
What are you talking about?
No idea what he's talking
Tell him Amanda says, what are you talking about?
Amanda says just be quiet. This is our only stop for the Making Friends tram. Please remain seated until we come to a full stop. The next to the driver's left-hand side. Driver's left-hand side only. Thanks for putting up with us, folks. Have a good night.
Good night.
Thank you. That was great.